Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an architectural evaluation of Tavily AI to determine if this platform truly is the absolute best engine for searching the web. When most people hear the phrase search engine, they instantly think of tools built for humans like Google or Bing. But Tavily represents a complete paradigm shift because it is built from the ground up strictly for artificial intelligence agents and large language models. If you have ever tried to connect an autonomous assistant to the internet using standard tools, you already know the workflow is an absolute nightmare, forcing you to write complex code to scrape pages, filter out irrelevant text, bypass cookie banners, and compress giant chunks of raw data just to fit inside your model's narrow context window. Tavily completely eliminates this technical friction by handling the entire process of searching, scraping, and ranking up to 20 distinct sites simultaneously within a single automated API call. The engine utilizes advanced semantic logic to score web results, entirely removing noisy tracking scripts and redundant data to return pre-formatted, low-latency JSON or Markdown snippets that are ready for immediate retrieval-augmented generation. Developers can adjust their performance using customized search depths, picking ultra-fast modes for real-time voice interfaces where every millisecond counts, or deploying their deep research endpoint to coordinate multi-step data synthesis and auto-generate comprehensive fact-check reports with precise source citations. The platform also offers unique tools like Map and Crawl to discover entire domain structures using natural language instructions, alongside dedicated integrations for major orchestration frameworks like LangChain, Vercel, and Anthropic's Model Context Protocol. While the free tier grants you a generous 1,000 monthly credits to prototype your workflows, heavy production scaling requires stepping up to paid developer tiers to unlock higher rate limits. Ultimately, if you are building autonomous tools that need fresh, grounded web knowledge without the engineering overhead of building custom scrapers, Tavily is an absolute masterpiece. Subscribe the channel for more videos.